वालिया 100 के पार हो गए सब्सक्राइबर।
अमेजिंग शिट ना। बट यार 70% लोग अभी भी नॉन सब्सक्राइब हैं, तो ऐसे सारे लोग प्लीज गो एंड सब्सक्राइब।
मैंने और भूत ने मम्मी को 13th फ्लोर से गिरा दिया और फिर भूत हंस रहा था और मैं भी हंस रही थी, फिर हम दोनों घर में थे। So imagine her mind state.
When I regress this person, वो literally वो past life में नहीं गया. Technically there is an entity which was there within that person, within that lady, started speaking. Now these
The
things
patient told about himself or you?
about me, because I told you, no, it's not it's an entity started speaking.
Did that freak you out? I mean,
Because it's
No, I
freaking
did
us.
not stop this.
Imagine you're
Because
alone in
if
the
I-
room with that person. Oh my god.
वो एंटिटी की प्रेजेंस अगर होती है तो अगर ये ऑरा खुल जाती है तो इट कैन एंटर इनटू योर स्पेस। नाउ ऑरा पे एंटर कर जाने का मतलब ये है कि जैसे ही एंटर होगी द ऑरा शट्स डाउन, बट नाउ देयर आर टू पीपल हियर, वन इज योर एनर्जी एंड देयर इज अनदर एनर्जी।
How do you guys sleep at night?
लग गए मतलब। The soul doesn't have to come back as a human, मतलब जानवर भी बन सकते हैं अगली लाइफ में।
What if the person was in his past life an animal?
क्या हो गया वालिया, सब ठीक?
भाई फटी पड़ी है यार।
क्यों?
वो बोली आज हॉरर फिल्म देखते हैं, मैं भी अपने मैचों में आ गया कि भाई हाँ देखते हैं। बड़ी खतरनाक फिल्म थी यार।
डर मत भाई, भूत भूत कुछ नहीं होते।
हाँ, एज इफ यू नो 100%, तुझे बड़ा पता है।
मुझे ना पता हो, जिन्हें पता है उनसे पूछ लेते हैं।
तो पूछ फिर। मानो या ना मानो, yes, you heard that right. This is the topic for today, and we have two very, very interesting guests with us. The first one is Ruchika. She is a psychologist and also a child play therapist. The other one is Navneet. He's a clinical psychologist and also into hypnotism and that's amongst multiple different things. So welcome to both of you. Welcome to Dip and Ponder, guys. So guys, today's episode is all about supernatural, reincarnation, ghost stories, horror and everything, right? So let us know, like, which is your most memorable stories that you want to talk about to our viewers, just to spook us a little more.
Yeah, so I have something to share, and that's very experiential because I am in this field of psychology and I believe in signs and symbols a lot. So at times in my dreams, things used to come, and I used to take it as a sign. And one day when I have a sister also, so she got married and I was alone in the room later on when she got married. So of course I was alone there, and I saw someone coming very close to me, and then she was talking to me in my sleep, and I could feel that out of the body experience, that it was not a dream. I could actually felt her presence, and I was actually able to see her in a mehndi green colored dress, and she was conveying something sarcastically to me, and I replied her back, and while doing this thing my voice got so heavy that my mother was able to hear me, and then she came and then she told me ki kisse baatein kar rahi ho, and then I woke up, that there was nothing, and I was not even scared after that thing. But during that phase only, I got to know a lot about out of the body experiences. Then this thing known as you know when you feel that you are awake, like sleep paralysis, and you are not able to convey something. So I have experienced these things parallelly.
So I guess Navneet, you've been working for a long time, right? तो कुछ ऐसी memory है या moment है which stood out for you over all these years of practice?
Well, अगर मैं देखूं इतने सालों में आई हैव वर्क विद डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ केसेस एंड डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ पीपल, और जब मैं रिग्रेशन करता हूँ या पास्ट लाइफ की जर्नी पर लेके जाता हूँ या हिप्नोसिस में लेके जाता हूँ, तो कोई ना कोई एक रीज़न होता है। ऑब्वियसली एक इमोशनल ट्रबल होता है या लाइफ की जो स्ट्रगल्स हैं उसके आंसर्स जब हमें लॉजिकली नहीं मिल पाते तो हम सबकॉन्शियस जर्नी पर चलते हैं और अवचेतन मन की इस यात्रा से हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें हम सीख पाते हैं। लेकिन कभी कभी हमें देखने को मिलता है कि कुछ ऐसे केसेस निकल कर आ जाते हैं जो नॉर्मल सिचुएशन से, नॉर्मल लाइफ जो सिचुएशंस हैं, नॉर्मल केसेस हैं, उनसे हटकर. So this is one particular case where I was dealing, and probably this was like which was like a very shocking to me, क्योंकि अगर देखा जाए तो I hardly talk my personal life to people around. या तो clients की बात करो तो बिल्कुल भी personal life तो कभी share करता ही नहीं.
Mm-hmm.
And that is not relevant also to be sharing with a person. When I regress this person, technically जहाँ पर हम बात कर रहे हैं वो literally वो past life में नहीं गया. Technically there is an entity which was there within that person, within that lady, started speaking. Now this speech, अगर हम conventional psychiatry की या psychology की बात करें तो लोग कह सकते हैं कि the person is hallucinating or the person is having a dissociative personality या split personality की बात कर सकते हैं. लेकिन अगर स्प्लिट पर्सनालिटी या कन्वेंशनल साइंसेस की भी बात करते हैं तो वो भी हमारी पर्सनल लाइफ को कभी रिवील नहीं कर सकते. Now personal life in the sense, the things which is very very personal to me, like for instance what has happened in my family, where I come from, where I used to live. Now when this kind of conversation, especially my own personal names, like for instance what my dad used to call me, I mean very affirmatively, all those kind of things. Now these
The
things
patient told about himself or you?
About me, because I told you, no, it's not it's an entity started speaking. It's like a layman's term. The spirit who was there. Now उस चीज को अगर आप spirit बोलो या कुछ भी बोलो, but technically which is not normal, and the person started speaking, and you can't clinically prove it कि ये कहाँ से मेरे बारे में जान सकता है.
But this could be a schizophrenia case. They are very observant. They can see your name tags around.
But name tags will have like for instance, how will my name tag the person will know that what was my childhood name?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
The person has not
That was
used
not
to
a
be in my
schizophrenia at all. Oh my god.
Did that freak you out? I mean, at what point did you stop the
So
session?
Because it's
no, I
freaking
did
us.
not stop this
Imagine you are alone
because
in
if
the room with that person. Oh my god.
so I cannot run away, obviously. Now obviously then I know that there is something which is different which is happening from the normal, because the person knows me. Sometimes when you're talking to an entity, it is not you're talking just to our mind. अगर माइंड से बात कर रहे हैं तो हमें मालूम है कि या कुछ सजेशन दे देंगे, कुछ बात कर लेंगे, but you know that somebody is telling you everything about your life, then you have to be very very careful.
But like, have you had such an experience, or have you been hypnotized?
Oh well, I have been hypnotized, but technically I have not gone into my past life, but yes, technically I am an indigo child. Now
What's
indigo
that?
child का मतलब ये है कि these are those group of consciousness who are first timers on planet Earth.
Oh.
अगर आपने
Oh,
कहीं
oh,
थोड़ा
that's
पैरानॉर्मल
interesting.
रिसर्चेस कहीं पढ़ा होगा, तो इंडिगो कॉन्शियसनेस, they are considered to be the oldest souls of universe, but now that's a very controversial statement. It says that they are born on some other planet, oldest souls of the universe, but when they are born on this planet Earth, they have lost their powers, and somehow they have to discover their life purpose.
So
They
So,
have some
so
psychic
you,
abilities and all.
a basic
So when I
question. So
regress
you're
myself,
saying you're
when I regress myself, yeah,
no, go
I
ahead.
could discover that I was an indigo.
So
no, I was gonna
sorry.
ask कि sorry, बहुत question था मेरे को. What are the other denomination? Like you said, indigo is somebody who's a first timer. तो बाकी लोगों को क्या कहते हैं?
नहीं, देखो बहुत सारे जो दिस आर लाइक सोल कॉन्शियसनेस. अब इंडिगो कॉन्शियसनेस है, रेनबो कॉन्शियसनेस है, क्रिस्टल कॉन्शियसनेस है. देयर आर सो मेनी कॉन्शियसनेस हु आर ब्रीड्स ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस. लाइक 2000 के बाद के जो बच्चे आए हैं, मतलब जो अभी रिसेंट के बच्चे आए हैं, जो बच्चे आ रहे हैं, दे आर लाइक द फर्स्ट टाइमर्स ऑन द प्लैनेट अर्थ. लाइक दे आर लाइक क्रिस्टल कॉन्शियसनेस. So there are group of people who are born for specific purposes. हम सबके लाइफ का एक मकसद होता है, एक पर्पस होता है, लेकिन जो एक अलग कॉन्शियसनेस से जो निकल कर आते हैं, they are like considered to be the light workers, or they are born here to do something different or unique or something like that. लेकिन वो तो that's a hardly 2% or 4% of the population, but rest 98% of the population do have the past lives on planet Earth. और जो हमारे जो जितने भी हमारे religious scriptures हैं, उन सभी में if you go through it you realize that there is a past life karma, और वो karmic baggages चलता रहता है, and probably whatever that we attract in a life, for that matter in a relationship, for that matter where we are born, the kind of profession that we get into, the kind of city that we live in, ये सारी चीजों का एक past life karmic baggage attached है.
Tell me one thing, like just on the topic of hypnotherapy, and do people always go back to their past life, or is it like they can build up stories in their head, and like you talked about split, not even split personality, like they have some stories or they thought about what they are in, like let's say I think about, just giving an example, let's say I become a great sports person, right? When you take me to when you like do your own trickery on me, I could perhaps talk about being that person, which is not related to my past life, but is a alternate life that I wanted.
So technically nobody is going to bluff anything under hypnosis, because
Okay.
एक सजेशन दिया जाता है जब हम किसी को रिग्रेशन में लेके जाते हैं या हिप्नोटाइज करते हैं, we ask the mind where exactly the problem is coming from. तो कोई ना कोई प्रॉब्लम से जुड़ी होगी वो पिछला जन्म या वो पास्ट लाइफ. तो जो बैकग्राउंड में जो चल रहा है, लाइक फॉर इंस्टेंस आई हैव अ येलो बैकग्राउंड बिहाइंड मी, अनलेस एंड अनटिल आई टर्न बैक, जब तक मैं मुड़ के नहीं देखूंगा तो मुझे नहीं पता चलेगा कि बैकग्राउंड कलर कौन सा है. तो वैसे ही लाइफ में जो भी घटनाएं घट रही है, मान लो मेरे रिलेशनशिप में प्रॉब्लम चल रही है या मेरे वर्क लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम चल रही है, तो जब तक मैं उसके जो सोर्स को, उसके जो रूट को जब तक मैं आइडेंटिफाई नहीं करता, तब तक वो प्रॉब्लम किसी ना किसी रूप में बार बार इट विल, थिंग्स माइट चेंज. लाइक फॉर इंस्टेंस आई चेंज द सिटी, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम वही रहेंगी. नए शहर में भी वही पुरानी प्रॉब्लम्स रहेंगी. अगर लोग मैं बदलने की कोशिश करूं, लेकिन वही प्रॉब्लम्स उन नए लोगों में भी आनी शुरू हो जाएगी.
So do the souls always take a human body? Yeah, say because from what I know, we can switch forms. Like the soul doesn't have to come back as a human. मतलब जानवर भी बन सकते हैं अगली life में. तो does that align with your understanding or different?
Very interesting. Just to add on to it, what if the person was in his past life an animal? Then what happens then?
See, we have all lived animal lives, we have all lived plant lives, and to come to a human life, we've taken several births, several consciousness, several evolution might have taken place to reach up to this position. अगर मान लो अगर हम रिग्रेस करते भी हैं तो हजारों लाखों ह्यूमन लाइव्स हैं. तो टेक्निकली इट इज जनरली अ प्रॉब्लम सेंट्रिक. अगर मान लो कि कोई एनिमल लाइफ भी होती है, तो उस एनिमल लाइफ से व्हाट इज द लर्निंग दैट द पर्सन नीड्स टू लर्न. मे बी एग्रेशन से बात होगी या एंगर से कोई चीजें होंगी, बट समथिंग और द अदर द पर्सन नीड्स टू लर्न. बट देयर आर सो मेनी ह्यूमन लाइव्स व्हिच आर पेंडिंग.
तो मतलब दिक्कत ह्यूमन लाइफ में होती है.
Soul is very old.
Maybe that's what I'm trying to come. तो बीच में उसने जो भी रास्ते लिए हो, he will go back to, he or she will go back
about the animal life and plan. I mean, yes.
Because that, I think that from that only we carry karma, right? The baggage of karma, which keeps us going in this world.
तो animal life में basically there's one defined purpose, right? तो शायद उसमें complexities नहीं होती, I guess.
To be honest, I have never even witnessed any stories related to animals.
Okay.
See, animal lives, see, when you talk about human lives, we have actually crossed through several generations of consciousness. To become a human being, we might have, like from a, if you look at the biological journey also, from a lemur, monkey to chimpanzee to, a journey to human being, it's a big evolutionary journey that we have already taken place. So there is a successful adaptation which has been. जब हम past life की भी बात करते हैं, तो हम उस लाइफ में जाने की कोशिश करते हैं जो करंट लाइफ में जो हम कैरी फॉरवर्ड कर लेकर आ रहे हैं, मतलब देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम व्हिच हैज हैपेंड, there is a mess which has created in one of those lifetimes, कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ हुई है उस लाइफ में, और वो लाइफ टाइम की जो कमियां हैं वो हम कैरी फॉरवर्ड कर रहे हैं। जिस तरह से हम खूबियां लेकर आए, लाइक फॉर इंस्टेंस पास्ट लाइफ में मान लो कि मैं बहुत अच्छा सिंगिंग करता हूँ, जरूरी नहीं है कि इस लाइफ में सिंगर बनूंगा, आई कैन बिकम अ गुड ऑरेटर बट
But
जो
I want to add something here, Navneet. So in childhood, people say that they are able to recall their past life more than adults. Is it true, Navneet? Yeah, and
Absolutely.
they can reflect in drawings a lot. You know, I deal with autism and I see a lot of kids drawing, and one kid used to make hospital all the time, hospital and a helicopter. There was high link between both the things. And you know, there are a lot of interesting stories. It used to, you know, I really wanted कि I wish उसमें language communication इतना हो पाता कि वो actually अगर वो इनका you know hypnotherapy में जाता तो I'm sure कुछ relevant निकलता. Every time a child cannot just get stuck with something जो उसने कभी देखा ही नहीं है.
सो आई गेस रुचिका ने अभी एक बहुत ही पावरफुल कॉन्सेप्ट जो अभी डिस्कस किया था, लाइक आर्ट थेरेपी की बात की है, आर्ट वर्क की बात करी है, जो बच्चों के साथ यू नो वी यूटिलाइज अ लॉट, एंड आई गेस आर्ट वर्क इज वेरी पावरफुल अप्रोच, क्योंकि जो बच्चे बहुत ही छोटे होते हैं, they are not good with words, but art becomes an expression, you know, whatever that is there in the mind, even they scribble on the paper or on the canvas, that actually gets reflected from what is there in the subconscious.
So, because I believe in a draw a person test a lot. So when kids they come for assessment, so we first establish the rapport. We just don't start with do this, do that. So while establishing the rapport, I tell kids many times that you draw. So there was a girl, I will not take the name, but she was like 6, 5.5 around age, and she used to stay with maid. You know, just a helper used to be around her, and mother father they both were working. Okay, and she has formed some pretend friend, you know, imaginary friends. Kids they usually form around, and her peer. She was not having many friends, but one of the girls she was so fascinated by this idea of ghosts and ghost stories. So the best friend used to talk a lot about ghosts. So this girl also got fascinated, and somehow she started drawing ghosts with a big mouth and everything. So that girl, when she came to me, she was not ready to speak at all. But you know, when I got to see her drawings, there was a female with a big mouth and this that. So I asked her, "What is this? Who is this?" So she said that this is the ghost auntie. She stays with me, and I was like very stunned. What is she saying? So of course, I never wanted to ignore that,
Yeah,
projection. So
yeah.
I was, again, I tried to find something more. What is going on in here? So then I started talking about ghosts. So she was fluently talking to me. She was, making a lot of conversations also. She was not at all quiet after that. And she gave me a story that मैंने और भूत ने मम्मी को 13th फ्लोर से गिरा दिया और फिर भूत हंस रहा था और मैं भी हंस रही थी फिर हम दोनों घर में थे. So imagine her mind state, like she was feeling alone, so she made her own imaginary friend कि यही मेरे साथ तो रहता है, so why should, you know parents are not that focused on
Yeah,
me,
yeah,
so
yeah.
I don't need them, I'm happy with her, I'll be living my life with her.
I
So
hope that story
her mind,
wasn't true, जो उसने बताया.
Yeah.
yeah, I was really shocked, because 5.5-year-old child is saying this, and slowly, steadily, with some techniques, we were able to take that thing away from her mind. कि
Okay.
नहीं होता ये, and she used to talk like यहाँ पे बैठा है, यहाँ पे बैठे, she used to talk like so dedicatedly that you can believe it कि हाँ भाई कोई यहाँ बैठा है.
Hmm.
You know?
That's scary, man.
Must be
Yeah.
scary for you, and like also like a responsibility to fix that child.
Yeah.
Right,
Yeah.
that's right.
And but kids are always ready to learn new things, and in Playway method you can teach them a lot. So I was able to remove that thing quite early, and because she got a lot of friends later on, so she got perfectly fine.
Okay. So बचपन में दोस्त जरूरी हैं. That's the learning है.
अब समझ में आया माँ बाप क्यों कहते थे बेटा आहट मत देखो.
I understand. I used to get a lot of beating from my mother that you should not watch this. You should not see. You should not visit forts. I used to be so fascinated with all these things.
तो इंडिया में काफी भूतिया प्लेस है, राइट? एंड a lot of them are featured in different movies as well. And कुछ ऐसे enthusiasts भी होते हैं जिनको जाना पसंद होता है अलग अलग जगह. So have you guys been to such places in India जहाँ पे presence हो कुछ?
Yeah, I have visited so many forts and palaces, in Rajasthan. So, like Bhangar is the most heard fort haunted place you will always read about Bhangar a lot.
What is it
And
haunted for वैसे? भानगढ़ में haunted क्यों बोलते हैं उसको?
Bhangar में haunted बोलते हैं because there is again a story, people just left that entire place in a blink within a night. And they say that the female जिसकी वजह से वो सब हुआ था, that's a big story. उसकी वजह से वो लोग बाकी सब छोड़ के चले गए. There was a curse. That entire town was got cursed. So everyone left that place. So अब जो भी वहां पे जाता है नाइट में रुकता है तो they face the same things again.
I see.
So interesting story from the host as well. Okay, since we were talking about Bhangar. Now I'm not someone who really is an enthusiast ki haan bhoot wali jagah pe jana hai and all, but I have this one friend who keeps bugging me like year after year. So this year, 2019, 31st December, I spent at Bhangar in the night. It
Oh
was
my God,
fun and
really?
it gets fun, but it also gets very very lonely. And obviously, like तुम park में चले जाओ, you hear sounds, right? And imagine like scale it on a level of a fort and jungle. We spent, I think, 12-1-2 बजे तक we were there. After that we left that place because like क्या करें, मतलब like गाड़ी अलाउ नहीं करते. We initially went in with the thought कि गाड़ी अलाउ करेंगे, they didn't, so we came back. But yeah, मतलब it's an experience. I wouldn't say go and
Was it
have
scary?
that experience. It is definitely scary.
So you went
No
inside
doubt.
the fort, or you were just outside that temple
No,
and
no, inside,
that place?
inside, 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 inside,
Inside that
inside.
haunted place where
Yes,
there is
yes,
a
yes,
temple?
yes, yes,
Oh my
yes, yes.
God.
We
Okay.
and strangely, temples have no what do you call it? Murals or मूर्ति होती है ना, मूर्ति
Not
वूर्ति
the
कुछ था नहीं
outside
वहाँ पे.
temples. There is one particular place inside, which is
Hmm.
known as the most haunted place of that area.
Okay.
Okay. We went inside the fort. ठीक है, अंदर हम घूमे रात भर. तो obviously मतलब तुम्हें stories पता है and banyan trees बहुत है वहाँ. And I don't want to scare people, but if you see banyan trees in the night,
They are scary, man.
it has long.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, that's scary
Banyan trees
Lot
are
because
of
scary.
animals are also there.
yeah, and banyan trees के वो जो भी होता है, whatever जो लटक रहा होता है, if you see it from far, it looks like dead bodies
Somebody is
hanging
watching you.
from.
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah,
my
no,
God.
not watching. It looks like dead bodies
But
like
you have not
from.
seen that princess there, right?
I haven't. I don't think I would be alive to narrate the story if I did. But it was fun. I wouldn't suggest people to go and do that. We also left after like 2 to 3 a.m.
I see. How about you, Navneet? Have you been to such places? Have you heard of such stories?
See, I've been to these places. I've seen, these kind of things, because it looks very spooky, no doubt about it. But I always suggest for people visiting these places, if you don't have a very strong heart, please don't visit the places. Because technically,
Like,
what is happening here is you might attract toxic experiences or that entity's presence in your life
Energies, yeah.
if you have a weak heart. Reason is simple. क्योंकि हमारे जो इर्द गिर्द हमारे चारों तरफ देयर इज एन ऑरा व्हिच इज सराउंडिंग. तो जो हमारी जो ऑरा है, इफ इट इज अ वेरी स्ट्रांग ऑरा, it will give you very strong presence, it will give you confidence, it will give you all those positive things in your life. अगर वीक ऑरा है तो हमारे अंदर फियर, बहुत सारी जो डार्क नेगेटिव क्वालिटी थिंग्स हैं, वो सारी चीजें आ जाएंगी. अब ये ऑरा में एक बात होती है, जब भी हम कोई एक्सट्रीम इमोशन में चले जाते हैं, it can open up, it can slightly become porous or vulnerable या break हो सकता है. और अगर ब्रेक हो जाती है और मान लीजिए कि आप उस जगह पर हैं जहां पर ऐसी कोई एंटिटी या एनर्जी जो आपके लिए पॉजिटिव नहीं है, क्योंकि आपके लिए नेगेटिव ही होगी, तो वो एंटिटी की प्रेजेंस अगर होती है, तो अगर ये ऑरा खुल जाती है तो इट कैन एंटर इनटू योर स्पेस, मतलब आपकी एनर्जी या आपके ऑरा पर एंटर कर सकती है ना। ऑरा पे एंटर कर जाने का मतलब ये है कि जैसे ही एंटर होगी द ऑरा शट्स डाउन। ऑरा तो
अच्छा,
इट इज हैज टू शट डाउन नो।
yeah.
जैसे ही थोड़ा सा पोरस हुआ, वल्नरेबल हुआ या खुला थोड़ा सा, after that it will come back to its usual form. But now there are two people here. One is your energy and there is another energy with you.
How
So
do you
this
guys
is when
sleep at night?
लग गए मतलब.
अगर ऐसा होता है, now you will see a difference in your behavior. Like for instance, a sudden anger or extreme crying spells.
So basically
मैं
it will
नॉर्मल
you
की बात नहीं
clients.
कर रहा, मैं नॉर्मल की बात नहीं कर रहा कि हम सब में होता है ये सारी चीजें इमोशनल, लेकिन अगर जब एक्सट्रीम लेवल पर चला जाए, so there is a possibility that entity has entered into your space.
Yeah.
Interesting. Well, this was spooky enough. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was scary at this time. Yeah.
yeah,
We're talking around 12 o'clock.
aura बचा के
Very
रखो
good.
अपना.
Aura बचा के रखना. Okay, मेरा aura बचा लो. But like again, like to anyone listening, or forget about that. Like my thought process also is like you can always prove it by saying, you know, you're disturbing the aura or like disturbing the energy. You could also say like weaker minds might, you know, it could be a figment of their imagination as well,
Could be both.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, could be both, but we always say that the science acknowledges the presence of energy, which means there is a clinical body. If it is dead or alive, there is energy inside the body, which is whatever that definition that we call, we can actually measure statistically or logically try to prove whether the person is alive or dead. But when the
Yeah.
energy exits the body, there is no
Yes.
technology to prove at this point of time.
It's true.
The science is not denying the spirit world. The science says that the person is alive or the person is dead. But there is no technology to acknowledge the presence of this energy which is there. Whatever
Navneet,
we see around is a
let our
manifestation of energy.
let our viewers who are watching it at night relax or take something. So yeah, like you guys talked about forts and all, and like opening your aura, energy entering. All of that is like visible only from a surface. What about examples such as you have a temple, I think Balaji temple near Rajasthan, and also हमने like not मतलब videos and all पे देखा है लोग बाल घुमा रहे हैं पागल हो रहे हैं, right? I'm sure all of you would have seen वो कुछ गॉडमैन आता है ऐसे वो भी कुछ ना कुछ बड़ी बड़ी बातें करते हैं, लोग झूमने लगते हैं. What about that? Especially बाल घुमाना, पागल हो गई, माता आ गई.
yeah.
What
That's
about that?
that is a, again I said, mental illness. That's a hysteria. Okay. And again, this can be, like Navneet said, this can be either energy transfer or complete hysteria, where with some sounds and something that they charge a soul, the body, and they act differently. Yeah, Navneet, do you want to say something?
See, when we talk about, I guess Ruchika has beautifully explained that it could be a mental health disorder or a mental health problem, or it could be an actual entity taking over the person's body. Like I said before, also there's a thin line of difference whether there is an entity problem or there is a mental health issue. But the problem is, why is the entity coming to this person in the first place? Let's say if you look at it from the completely from a spiritualistic perspective rather than the clinical perspective, अगर हम इसको पूरी तरह से एक spirit point of view पे अगर हम देखते हैं, तो सवाल ये है कि why is this person has attracted this particular energy in this first place? क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं एक इंसान एक ऑल्टर एक ईगो पर की बात करते हैं या एक स्पिरिट वर्ल्ड की बात करते हैं, कहीं ना कहीं कुछ कमियां वो अपने अंदर पाता है. समथिंग ही इज डिससैटिस्फाइड विद हिज ओन वर्ल्ड और हर ओन वर्ल्ड,
Yeah.
समथिंग
And
जो उसको लगता है
yeah.
कि कुछ कमी है.
Yeah, and majorly you will see hysteria ज़्यादातर females को ही होता है. You will see
Hmm.
लंबे बाल वाली लड़कियां हैं और वो अपना सर घुमा रही है, और ये बालाजी टेम्पल में बहुत ज्यादा देखने को मिलता है। एंड दे पनिश आल्सो, यू नो, पेड़ पे वो उल्टे लटके होते हैं, पत्थर लगे होते हैं। तो क्यों उन लड़कियों को हिस्टीरिया होता है? बिकॉज डोमिनेट, सी, कहीं पे भी बहुत ज्यादा जगह पर लड़कियां नहीं बोलती है, दे कीप इट
Hmm.
यू नो इनसाइड देम। बहुत सारी चीजें होती है जो वो अपने अंदर ही रखती है, बट जब उनके पास एक ट्रिगरिंग फैक्टर होता है ना, देन दे वांट टू take it out, and at times they take out in this form also, you know, then they can change their voice, they can scream, they can shout, they can cry, they can do whatever they want. And honestly, I've seen documentaries, I've never visited that place abhi tak, but fascinating, like he said, giving personal details, some of the souls were giving personal details there, some of the females. And then
Okay.
it's again a very interesting topic to, you know,
But you guys
ponder.
are leaning towards hysteria more.
Yeah.
एज ए मिलेनियल मेरा पहला एक्सपीरियंस विद दीज स्टोरीज और आइडियाज वाज बचपन में जब आहट देखा मैंने पहली बार, सोनी पे आता था आई थिंक, एंड देन उसके बाद अचानक 37 साल बाद आता था, राइट? एंड ऑनेस्टली
Hmm.
आई डिडंट हैव द हार्ट टू वॉच दो शोज। बड़ा होके मैंने देखने शुरू किया, एंड बेसिकली मैं जानना चाहता हूँ इंडियन मूवीज में जो डिपिक्शन होती है इस फिनोमिना की, हाउ एक्यूरेट इज इट फॉर यू, या इज इट मोर फनी फॉर यू एक्चुअली?
So, because I don't take clinical cases personally, but I have done internship under a lot of psychiatrists. Okay, so when I see DID, dissociative identity cases, of course there is a difference, because Bollywood में या horror stories में वो ज़्यादा उसको ट्विस्ट देते
Exaggerate.
हैं, और साउंड बैकग्राउंड बहुत ज़्यादा एडेड होता है।
Hmm.
बट अगर आप DID के केस देखोगे तो यू विल नॉट फील कि ऐसे स्कैरी नहीं होएगा, बट यू विल गेट टू नो कि हाँ कुछ डिफरेंट हो रहा है, यू नो। जैसे जैसे फीमेल, शी गॉट DID, आइडेंटिटी डिसऑर्डर, एंड शी गॉट समहाउ कार इन हर, और वो पूरा टेबल उठा के फेंक रही थी, दिस वाज स्ट्रेंज, जो कि आप बोल सकते हो कि रिजेम्बलेंस है थोड़ा,
Yeah, it reminds me of
अगेन
Bhool
भूल
Bhulaiya.
भुलैया,
Yeah.
वन ऑफ द सीन ऑफ भूल भुलैया। सो अगर वो लड़की पूरा टेबल उठा के फेंक सकती है, और बहुत ही भारी आवाज में बात कर सकती है, सो
Hmm.
पीपल विल डेफिनेटली गेट कंफ्यूज्ड, बट डेफिनेटली वो बॉलीवुड जैसा इतना भी नहीं होता है।
तो कैसी कोई मूवी या टीवी शो जिसमें तुम्हें लगा हो कि एक्यूरेटली दिखाया गया है, या सब में एग्जैजरेटेड होता है टू अ लार्ज स्केल?
लगभग तो सभी केसेस में सभी जगह
या
Yeah.
but I would say there is one movie which I liked, especially from a paranormal perspective. I liked this movie Conjurer 2, which made some sense to it a little bit, but not the extreme way, the way the movie has narrated. Second, there is a Chinese movie which is named The Hypnotist, I guess, where this hypnotherapist happens to be a psychiatrist, and who was hypnotizing one of the clients, and the client was narrating several things which the person is not able to believe, but actually the story was like the client who had come was trying to hypnotize the psychiatrist, because the psychiatrist had gone through a trauma, and one of the near and dear ones of the professor of the psychiatry wanted to help the psychiatrist, and he is one of the renowned hypnotherapists, so somebody who had to be expert to actually hypnotize him. So there's a beautiful movie where this hypnosis was beautifully depicted a little bit more scientifically, but in a more thriller way, and I guess it's a very beautiful movie, and I don't know whether
Right.
the English adaptation is there, but subtitles are definitely there.
I
Right?
want to share something related to kids again. Like जैसे हम बहुत सारे हॉरर शोज में देखते हैं, बच्चे डॉल्स के साथ बहुत फैसिनेटेड होते हैं, और डॉल्स में बहुत सारा भूत दिखाते हैं, वो बोल रही है डॉल, ये वही वो। सो मेरी एक केस था जिसपे बच्चा था, 7 इयर्स की लड़की थी, और काफी उसको कलर्स और डॉल्स पसंद थी, एंड द प्रॉब्लम वाज शी वाज नॉट एबल टू स्लीप। वो डॉल्स के साथ ही होल्ड करके रहती थी, उससे जागी रहती थी, जब तक सुबह नहीं होती थी, मम्मा उसकी अश्योर करती थी उसको, और अपनी बहन के साथ सोती थी, बट स्टिल शी यूज्ड टू बी सो स्कैर्ड with some ideal image of maybe ghost, और काफी उसके साथ प्रैक्टिस कर ही रहे थे चीजें, और इन बिटवीन स्त्री मूवी आई थी,
Yeah.
और उसके मम्मा को somehow पता नहीं था कि वो हॉरर मूवी है, और वो उस बच्चे के साथ वो हॉरर मूवी देखने चली गई, एंड बच्चे ने स्त्री मूवी देख लिया, एंड शी गॉट सो स्कैर्ड कि उसको लगता था मैं वॉशरूम जाऊंगी तो वहां पे भूत होगा,
Wow.
और वो स्कूल के अंदर उसने वॉशरूम जाना ही बंद कर दिया था। तो इमेजिन फ्रॉम अ गर्ल स्टेट कि वो मतलब रियल नहीं था, बट आज somehow मेरा उसके साथ कंटिन्यू नहीं हो पाए फर्दर सेशंस, बट स्टिल आई फील कि what was the actual link between that doll and that sleep pattern, and ठीक है, स्त्री वाला लॉजिक तो यू कैन मेक कि वो डर लग रहा था इसलिए वो नहीं जा रही थी, बट शी वाज नॉट एबल टू स्लीप इवन दो उसके लिए एक पर्टिकुलर लाइट, एक लैंप था उसका, तभी भी वो नहीं सो पाती थी, एंड वो हमेशा डॉल के साथ ही पकड़ के रहती थी उसको।
Right.
दिस इज रियली स्ट्रेंज केस।
How do you guys feel about Talash? I thought उसमें काफी अच्छे से depict किया था the whole thing.
Yeah, Amir Khan's film, and
Yeah, again, the
Kareena
soul
Kapoor
and
was
the
his best.
entire part of conveying and communicating.
उसमें काफी एलिमेंट लाइक दे हैड was it the board जिससे वो कॉल करती है, and then
Ouija board was the and there was a concept of auto writing which was emphasized.
Right.
Is that something
See,
that
auto writing is a very metaphysical concept where you act as a medium, and somebody who's an energy which comes into your space, and the person starts conveying the message to that person.
Right.
Now I would say that the person who is not everybody can't become a medium, because there has to a certain level of trance the person needs to achieve. Without that, the person may not be able to give that information, because there has to be a certain depths of the mind to tap into those frequencies.
Right.
Just like we have TV channels, we have Tata Sky gives us a channel number, so the channel frequency is there. With that frequency we are able to watch Star movies or whatever the channels that what we need to watch. But if that frequency is that is not exactly the similar frequency, we won't be able to download that channel, or we will not be able to see the channel.
This is again a very interesting thing ना, कुछ ही लोगों को वो चीज अट्रैक्ट करती है, सोल अट्रैक्ट करती है कोई, और वो कन्वे करने के लिए इसी को मैं चूज करूंगी, वो डिसाइड करती है. This is very strange.
Right.
Curious to know, have any one of you seen the Ouija board work?
I have not experienced, so I had one.
Oh, you
See,
had one.
Ouija board, like I said, it works in a very wrong direction. People who have a very weak mind, if the aura opens up, if there is an entity or energy which is present, it can enter the space.
Yeah, and this looks very interesting.
I'm sure.
Yeah, it's very interesting.
Yeah.
But it can
Kids,
backfire
they are
also.
so fascinated. Kids who are of 9 or 10 years of age, they are so interested in ghost concepts, and they really, one guy, he took an entire printout of Ouija board and he said ki, I will do this today, and they don't know what they are dealing with. They are just doing it out of fun. And I'm telling you, a lot of stories are there. There are games like Granny, which kids are playing nowadays. There are games like Bloody Mary. There are games like there are a number of ghost games they have, and kids, they like to talk about it, they like to play. So if you say Bloody Mary 3 times after 12 o'clock, so you will be able to see a ghost behind you, and they actually do it.
Okay.
As per your definition at the beginning, soul is something that's within your body, right? It has its own body. When it escapes body after death or after whatever, and it does not have another body to enter into, that's what is spirit, जिसको हम भूत बोलते हैं, right? As per that part of science, right? अब मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है, एक फिल्म आई है रिसेंटली, लक्ष्मी बॉम्ब, राइट? और बहुत सारी फिल्में जिसमें अक्षय कुमार अच्छा खासा बंदा होता है, उसके अंदर किसी और की का भूत, विच इज स्पिरिट, बॉडीलेस, घुस जाता है. अब बाय डेफिनेशन तो स्पिरिट बॉडी लेस है, तो वो जब अक्षय कुमार की बॉडी में घुस गई तो वो क्या हुई, वो 2 सोल हो गए या एक सोल एक स्पिरिट हो गई, क्या हुआ?
One is the soul which is already he has, which is why he is alive. So that is the real character. The other
Okay.
is the foreign energy, which is an entity, which is the spirit.
Okay. So that's it. So ऐसे तो स्पिरिट घुस जाती, but because it does not have its own body, it's classified as spirit. Got
Yeah.
it.
Because it's not his own
Yeah.
consciousness. At the end of the day, it is not his own consciousness. It's somebody else. It's an external. It's a foreign energy.
Okay.
It's not
Got
his
it.
own
जैसे
energy.
घर में
That's
ओनर भी
unwanted.
रहता है और टेनेंट भी रहता है, तो दोनों चीजें हो
Absolutely.
सकती
So something that is unwanted, our body will not keep, right? So that's
Absolutely.
unwanted thing.
But still, I would say the
Got it.
best movie is क्या नाम है, जानी दुश्मन. That's that's the
और
best horror movie.
भौकाल.
जैसे
Got it. Got it.
हॉलीवुड मूवीज में they deal with these things with the cross वाला, right? Cross पहनना चाहिए, और क्या that the procedure that they do.
हाँ.
तो
Exorcism.
what's the equivalent in India? इंडिया में क्या करते हैं लोग?
India में we
See,
have
every
that.
religion,
हनुमान चालीसा.
every religion
Yeah,
has their
Hanuman ji,
own.
you know, people believe a lot, and I also believe a lot, I say.
तो हनुमान
So,
चालीसा and गंगा जल, is that?
And Ganga Jal.
keeping Hanuman ji idol अपने entrance पे will help you out somehow.
Okay.
I don't know. Navneet, do you want to say something?
Ultimately what matters is whether you keep Jesus or whether you keep Hanumanji or whatever the god or goddess that you keep. Faith is what that matters.
Yeah.
If the faith is there, then there will be no fear, and there will be no, presence of entity or an attack or all those psychic phenomena that you're experiencing. That chances will be lesser.
Thanks, Navneet, because I was thinking Dilwag and me, our faith does not believe in, मूर्तियां, तो हम क्या रखें बाहर? How
Yeah.
do we save our aura?
औरा में छेद नहीं होना
But
चाहिए.
if आप कहीं भी देख
Aura नहीं
लोगे,
है, ओजोन है.
अगर आप किसी भी घर पे देखोगे, when you know parents का होता है, like you should have something अपने घर पे. So when I got married, अब मैं पूजा रोज नहीं करती हूँ, but ये constant click होता रहता था मेरे घर वालों की तरफ से, मेरे husband के घर वालों की तरफ से, that you should always have something. And after some instances, I started believing in this also. Yes.
So before we close, I have 2-3 questions related to past life. One is कि क्या दो लोगों की past life connected होती है, means they come back and find each other. And दूसरा is when you hypnotize someone and they go back into their past life. तो one, how far back have you gone, मतलब time में? और अगर आप past life में होते हो तो how do you determine कि कौन सा year है, कौन सा time है?
See, when you do a regression, when you put somebody under hypnosis, you can take the person back as many years back, which means you can go to before Christ, and there's no historical timeline there. See, when you do a past life, it is not based actually a historical timeline. But yes, you can get the dates, you can get the the place details and everything if you try to introspect or try to ask the client, because obviously the subconscious mind will give you the answers. वो कौन सा ईयर था, वो वहां पर कौन कौन से लोग थे, वो कैसी लाइफस्टाइल थी, all those kind of detailings, intricate details, we can definitely find it. And second thing that you were asking about, ki, yes, there is a concept of soulmates, definitely exist, कि जो हमारे जो पिछले जन्म में जिनके साथ हमारा जो कनेक्शन है वो इस जन्म में भी आ सकते हैं. जैसे उसको हम ट्विन फ्लेम्स भी कहते हैं. लाइक फॉर इंस्टेंस, if we are connected to certain group or a certain person and certain there is a possibility, higher percentage chances, that person can incarnate in this lifetime.
Right.
And, I'm not saying that the relationship will be fantastic. I'm saying that there will be a deeper connect with that person.
Okay.
So soulmates or twin flames and all those kind of things. Soulmates का मतलब ये भी नहीं कि husband and wife हो. It can be mother daughter, it can be mother son, it can be father daughter, father son. उस soul family में से कोई भी निकल कर आ सकता है. Twin flames जब बोलते हैं तब there is a possibility कि lovers हैं, they can come back in this lifetime again and again. लेकिन यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी ये concept नहीं है कि अगर ट्विन फ्लेम्स थे, सोलमेट थे, तो इस लाइफ में बहुत अच्छी लाइफ होगी, या दोनों एक दूसरे से मिल जाएंगे तो लाइफ बहुत ब्यूटीफुल होगा, प्यार ज्यादा होगा. दैट्स नॉट द ट्रुथ, but it only
Mm.
means there is a deeper connection with that person, which can be
Way to
right. It can be created to a good relationship.
way to nip it in the bud, man.
तो बेसिकली यहीं से आता है वो सातों जन्म का रिश्ता और समथिंग लाइक दैट आई गेस.
Absolutely.
I've actually read few articles जिसमें when people are on drugs, specifically LSD, they
Correct.
recall some memories which are actually not their own. Like I read this case जिसमें the girl was actually recalling memories of her grandmother जो उसने खुद नहीं देखी थी कभी.
Correct.
So have you seen that too? Will people recalling stories of their ancestors?
Yeah. See, the point here is you mentioned about drugs inducing and remembering past lives.
Yeah.
See, that is one of the destructive ways to bring up the memories. Hypnosis is the safest way to bring up the memories. Meditation is the safest way of bringing in the memories, which can give you insights. Now, when you use psychotropic drugs, it can create a destructive, you can actually destroy the neural networks of completely. And obviously, we know that the person can be, we are not able to decode it correctly. अगर मान लो पास्ट लाइफ मेमोरी याद भी आ जाती है, हमें किसी के साथ कोई रिश्ता है, लेकिन उस लाइफ से मिली हुई सीख को हम अपनी लाइफ करंट लाइफ में लेकर नहीं आ पाएंगे. When the person is in a drug induced or something like that. The purpose of visiting a past life, मतलब एक पिछले जन्म की यात्रा करने का एक ही मकसद होता है, उस लाइफ से मिली हुई सीख से हम अपनी वर्तमान जिंदगी, अपनी करंट लाइफ को कैसे हम बेहतर बना सकें, कैसे हम मीनिंगफुल बना सकें, और उन सभी प्रॉब्लम से बाहर कैसे आ सकें.
So with this, we come to the end of our podcast. I can, like, I think I speak for Dilbag when I say this. This is one of the most interesting and intriguing podcasts we've had over here. I do sure hope that all of our viewers felt the same. Thank you so much, Ruchika Navneet, for coming on our podcast and throwing light on this topic. Thank you.